these are the main elevators at USF Sarasota-Manatee in Sarasota, Florida. And we were at 3. Let's call it down. You got an Aurora call station up here. Let's go 1. Here's your help phone. Here's your cab view. It's got this, like, I believe brass cab. And yes, this is a ThyssenKrupp traditional hydraulic installed in, I believe, 2006. Traditional fixtures again. Here's the other one. It's basically the same as the other one. Alright, while we're up here, hopefully no one will call it, but here's a little look at the atrium in the building, or the rotunda. Someone called it. Oh wait, no. Never mind. That was the other elevator. We're gonna stop at 2 just to check out an intermediate call station. Again, here are your fixtures. I'm trying to, it's not like, I'm trying to have the button reflect what color, like, yeah, that's good. That's about what color the button actually appears to be in person. It's not so much white. Or a call station. Let's go 1. So yeah, it's basically a an orange-yellow light. Here's your cab view again, same as the other one. Alright. You can't really see up the shaft, but you can see the ThyssenKrupp airlock. Alright, there it goes. Now the